Get it.
You know, like a tart. Thank you. Like a slutty girl, like a tart. Like a tart. Yeah, like. But Jordan.
Tots is not even happy that they're doing this. They don't want to be associated with it. It's like, screw you. It's charity.
You're getting charity. Yeah, you're getting charity. Even if they do.
Oh my god. She's look at her. She wants the camera. Go to Dada. ¿Dónde está papi, mami?
If you don't have time, you make time. If you need to supersize it, just
Where you going, Maddie?
black vibrator.
No, woman, get up. Get up.
At Baylor University, that your boss, could ruin your marriage.
Oh.
Researchers say that people come home too frazzled to participate in family responsibilities if their boss tells them that their thoughts and feelings are stupid.
She's too hyper.
Or puts them down in front of others. Whoopsie. Do you think you have marital problems because of me, Brad?
No, she sides with you all the time. I'll come home, I'll be like, you won't believe what Chelsea said to me. And she's like, well, what did you do?
Oh my god.
She